Carboxypeptidase A. Here we will discuss about what does carboxypeptidase A do, its active site and the reaction mechanism. Carboxypeptidase A is a zinc-containing metalloenzyme which catalyzes the hydrolysis of terminal bonds in protein during the process of digestion. And it has high selectivity for substrate with large terminal aliphatic or phenyl groups. The enzyme consists of a protein chain of 307 amino acids and 1 zinc 2 plus ion. Now in the structure of the carboxypeptidase A, the metal zinc ion is coordinated to 2 nitrogen atom of 2 histidine residues and to a H2O molecule and to a glutamate residue. Here the coordinated glutamate residue acts as a bidentate ligand. What is the reaction mechanism behind the hydrolysis of terminal peptide bonds by carboxypeptidase A enzyme? The cavity has a hydrophobic pocket close to zinc 2 plus ion that can accommodate organic group of peptide undergoing hydrolysis and therefore accounts for the higher efficiency with which hydrophobic carbon terminals peptide are cleaved. Now the carboxyl group of the substrate forms hydrogen bond to an arginine residue and the phenolic group of tyrosine residue forms hydrogen bond to NH group of the peptide of the substrate. In the first step of the reaction mechanism, the H2O molecule which has been deprotonated by glutamic acid residue acts as a nucleophile and attacks the carbon of the C-terminal carbonyl of the substrate. Here the glutamic acid residue acts as a base catalyst. In the next step, the C double bond O of carbonyl group of glutamic acid residue forms hydrogen bond to the hydrogen of the OH group of coordinated to zinc and H plus forms COOH group of glutamate residue is transferred to NH group of the substrate with breaking of the CN bond of the substrate. The glutamate residue abstract a proton from OH group is coordinated to zinc 2 plus ion to form glutamic acid. The hydrogen bonding to the carbonyl group by the arginine residue and the amide linkage by the tyrosine residues not only hold the substrate to the enzyme but also helps to break the CN bond. In the final product of zinc 2 plus ion, the carbonyl of substrate binds in the bidentate fashion. Therefore, 5 coordination is maintained by switching the glutamate metal ligand from bidentate to monodentate.